Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very good clipping mask trick which is pretty easy to use but at the same time pretty useful. So let's get started. So let us first see how the usual clipping mask works. Color doesn't really matter. So let's say I want to insert this particular image in this shape. Remember, the shape has to be above the image. You can also add another shape into this shape, that is not an issue. So this is above the image. Select both the objects, go to object, clipping mask. You can also use the shortcut key make. So this is the usual way. We can do it by another way. So let's say I want to add this image or another image into this. We can simply go to this particular option, draw inside, and we can add any image. So let's say I want to add this one. So we can add any image inside, and if you want to change the location of the image, simply double click and you can change the size, the position of the image. Again double click. So this is how we can do it. So I'll undo this, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So let's say I'm going to draw few more objects. So let's say I'm going to draw some more objects. I will add some text. I will write the name Graphics 10, and let's say I only want this area visible and rest of the area I don't want to be displayed. So what I can do is, the usual method is create a shape, desired shape, color doesn't really matter. Now select all these objects and go to object, clipping mask. So this is the usual way, but the issue with this particular method is when I'm going to draw some more objects, it will go outside the area again, like so. It will go outside the area. So I will have to again go to select, go to object, clipping mask, release, again select this particular object and again bring these objects behind this particular object, and so basically it is very time consuming. So instead of that, what we can do is, let me bring this first ahead. So instead of that, what we can do is create a shape as usual, and instead of using the object clipping mask option, go to the layers panel. If you are not able to see the layers panel, simply go to Windows and open the window layers panel and click on this burger menu, these three lines called as burger menu, settings, whatever you may call it. And from here, first make sure that the rectangle or whatever shape it is at the top, and go to burger menu and select make clipping masks. So at the first glance, this effect looks similar to the previous effect, but the main thing is, if you draw a new object, it will go directly inside the clipping mask. So this is the biggest difference, and by using this we are going to save a lot of time and effort. So even if I write any text, it will go directly inside the mask. So we don't have to use clipping mask again and again. We can use it just the one time and it will do the trick. So remember, now this particular rectangle is below, but once you make it clipping mask, it doesn't really matter. It will remain as a clipping mask until you release the clipping mask, like so. How to release it? Simply go here and we have to click over here and we can release from there. So it will make it will release the clipping mask. So instead of using the usual clipping mask option, we can use this trick and save us a lot of time and effort. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.